Need a quick last-minute entertaining idea? Friends coming over? Don't you worry. Grab these Medjool dates, stuff them with blue cheese, roast them off in the oven, top with bacon. What could be better? Let's give it a shot.
Grab your box of Medjool dates. Split them down the middle. Don't cut them all the way through. You just want to take out the seed. Just like that. Line them up. Grab some Stilton or blue cheese. Pack it in there. If you don't like blue cheese, you can definitely use a different one. A little salt, a little pepper, drizzle with olive oil. In the oven it goes, under the broiler for about 2 minutes. Plate them out. Grab your crispy bacon or prosciutto, whatever you have around, and spread that love. Oh, delicious.
For this recipe and more, go to unitedwithearth.com.